In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide columns in Asana. Whether you're organizing your project for your team or just need a cleaner view for your personal workflow, sometimes simplifying the visual layout can make all the difference. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a streamlined way to manage your tasks effectively without the clutter of all those columns you might not need at the moment. To begin, you'll want to open up the Asana project in which you desire to adjust your column view. Once you're in there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an Options button located there, which is your gateway to all sorts of customization and settings for your project. Go ahead and give that Options button a click to reveal more features that Asana offers. Upon clicking, look for the choice labeled Show or Hide Columns. This is the marvelous feature that enables you to have control over the visibility of the various columns within your project. Selecting this option will display a list of all the columns currently present in your project's main table. It's like having a column manager right at your fingertips. Now, what you'll see is quite straightforward: a switch button next to each column name. This feature allows you to choose which columns you want to be visible and which ones you'd prefer to keep hidden. A nice and intuitive touch from the developers, isn't it? To hide a column, simply click on the switch. When you do, it will change from blue to gray. A blue switch indicates that the column is currently shown, while gray signals it's hidden from view. It's as simple as flipping a switch, quite literally. After you've gone through and toggled any columns you want to hide, all that's left to do is close the panel. It's as easy as that. Now, your workspace will reflect your changes, showing only the columns that are essential for the tasks at hand. Whether you're focusing on specific details or needing room for an entirely different setup, you've now tailored your Asana space to better fit your needs. So there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've cleaned up your workspace, making it more efficient and visually appealing at the same time. Remember, you can always come back to adjust these settings as your project evolves. And that's how you hide columns in Asana. Happy organizing, and may your productivity soar with your newly structured view.